What's going on with it? Alright, so I'm out here. I'm out here in the garden and whatever, whatnot. And my thing is, these mosquitoes is tearing me up while I'm out here trying to dig on the pond. So I took my spearmint plant, right? Now I ain't saying this the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it, but I took a couple leaves off. I took a couple off, and I'm rubbing them on my arms, right? I ain't putting none on my legs, but I got on pants today. They bite my hands and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I get any bites on my arms for, I guess, the next 10 minutes while I dig out some of this pond I'm working on. While I'm digging out some of this pond. So let me try to set y'all up. It's starting to sprinkle, and that's pretty good for me. I want it to sprinkle a little bit, soften up this ground. Alright, got that set up. Now, it's supposed to ward off, and it feel like for real it's working already. But every time I come out here, and I seen them guys on the what is that called? On the YouTube. On YouTube. They digging by hand. They build castles with their hands. So that's hell of a work ethic. And these days, you gotta have some type of work ethic. You know what I mean? Start making up techniques to remove some of this soil. But yeah, I don't feel like I'm getting big. That's a blessing. And I will be putting some of these spearmint plants on my eBay store. Like, I might have got bit once. I might have missed that little area, because these little things is clever. They be fighting. I've been freehanding this pond, right? Listen to me. I've been freehanding the pond. If I ain't have on a white shirt, I mean, I can lay down in this thing. Oh yeah, hell yeah. I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. We getting somewhere. We definitely getting somewhere. I can lay down in it and still got room down there with my feet. Yeah. Now I'm just getting my width a little bit more. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more. All that stuff right here. And I know some of y'all guys should probably do it better. And I'm okay with that. This is my first pond build. guess what? This thing gonna be dope, cause this ain't my first time working with water and pumps and plants. I know how to build hydroponic setups, aquaponic setups, and as time go on, y'all gonna see all of it. Oh, I'm liking this whip now. It was just a chunk that needed to come up out of there. Make this thing even better. Make this thing even better. That's gonna be right. See, we ain't got enough room for a fish tank in the house. I mean, I thought of ways to create it. I probably put it inside the wall. Like from the living room, the wall between the living room and the kitchen. Nah, that ain't gonna work, because that's the base mistake. Well, I've been thinking of ways. Want some wall, put it in the wall maybe. But I don't know. For now, this where it's gonna be at. And now I get to pick a whole different species of fish or whatever. Cause they gonna have room. They gonna have room. Like if I start catfishing here, they will be basically just to have something in here. You know what I mean? Have something in here. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do 100 catfish in here. You know that ain't my goal for here. This is just a small little home recreational pond. But we gonna see. When they farming them, shit, that's about how much room they get. I did the measurements of the gallons of water. But you know, it's a little rain. Yeah. But I gotta get this done. Hey, listen. I don't really feel like I'm getting hit. You know that rain gonna really bring them out. I just be thinking how I'm gonna lay the liner, the pond liner. But they gonna have some room. Trust me. This looks good for me in here. One day I'm gonna get one of them underwater cameras too, so we can see what's going on under the water. My dog up there doing some shit. If I'm in the rain, you could be in the rain. Pitbull. She loves her owner. That's all I can tell you. Don't come back here trying to go fishing in my pond. No. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can lay down in there and still have room. I put 2 people in here. I like that. Like normal. So that's a good thing. go ahead and cancel this video. But I gotta put my phone up, y'all. I'm gonna get back out here, get a little work done in the rain. You know, water feel good, but not for my phone. So I got my spearmint down there, and I got my Cuban oregano down there. Both of them gonna be in the eBay store. I'm gonna start having to put the link to the store in my description for different plants and everything. Some of y'all might want to try some of my plants. Try what I have, my variety. You know, sometimes you can get them from your local store, but them be sprayed with pesticides and whatnot. You don't know what's going on with it. But me, all organic. So let's say the planet. Real. I like to eat. And if we destroy all our ground, all our farmlands, where do you think the food gonna come from? Man-made. No, that ain't for me.